Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the grout in your tub shower area. When it comes to cleaning your grout, there are a bunch of different methods and there's a bunch of different cleaners. But what I'm going to show you today is what I think is the easiest way to do it. Using a product like this that are a set of brushes that you can use on the end of your cordless drill and let these do all the work. Let me show you how well this works. So I chose this brush right here because I think with this shape you can use it to get into the corners and let the drill do all the work. On this particular drill you got two settings. I'm going to go on the high setting so it spins pretty quick, and I'm just going to use any kind of cleaner that you would use on your shower, on the grout. I mean, that's really up to you. The key with any of these cleaners is you want to apply them and don't immediately scrub. Give the cleaner a few minutes to kind of break down the dirt that's inside there, and then use the drill brush to clean it up. Now, this is going to kind of spit a little bit of the soap, so be careful. Not a bad idea to wear some eye protection. And with those nylon brushes, you'll see that you can really clean that grout. And the beauty part is, it's the drill that's doing all the work. You can not only use this on your grout, but you could use it on the tile, a tub surround, even the tub. Rinse it, and you're done. Coming up next, my video on how to seal grout.